Hi everyone, welcome to Daily News Wrap by Voice of Crypto. Today is 6th June 2022 and we're going to look at the price action, top trends and top news of cryptocurrency market. And stick around till the end to learn more about the top gainers of the day. Now let's go ahead with the market cap. So the global crypto market cap traded at close to $1.3 trillion and was up by 5% over the last day. All the major tokens were trading high in last 24 hours. So let's look at some top tokens. Starting with Bitcoin, which traded at $31,000, saw a price surge by close to 6% in last 24 hours and was up by 2% in weekly charts. Ethereum traded at $1,900 with an incline of close to 7% in last 24 hours and 0.4% in weekly charts. Tether saw an incline and traded at $1, while on the other hand, USD coin saw a minor decrease of 0.01% and traded at $1. BNB token traded at 310 today and with a jump of over 4%, while on the weekly chart it was down by close to 2%. Now let's look at some altcoins. Cardano significantly increased in last 24 hours by almost 14% and traded at $0.6 and it was up by over 22 in the weekly charts. XRP by Ripple increased by 3.6% and traded at $0.4. Binance USD traded at $1 with a minor growth of 0.02%, and Solana, which traded at $44 today, moved up in the charts by 11% and with a decline of close to 5% weekly. Doge and Polkadot both were traded high by 3% and close to 5% respectively in last 24 hours. Meanwhile, talking about wrapped Bitcoin, it traded at $31,000 with the price surged by 6% in last 24 hours and over 2% in the weekly charts. Avalanche increased by 10% on the charts and traded at $27, and Tron also saw inclined by over 5% in last 24 hours and traded at $0.08. Now let's talk about the top news of the day. So recently in the news event, the senior strategist of Bloomberg stated that Bitcoin will outperform all other assets in the world and hit $100,000 mark by 2025. He said that after analysis of current market and the great reversion is getting started, and Bitcoin will soar and become the best asset to hold in the world. He also described Bitcoin as digital gold in the world, going to be digital with increasing speed, and prices will only surge in the coming years. Next, after the great Terra Luna crash, founder of Tron, which is the third largest blockchain within decentralized finance, has now modified their algorithmic stablecoin to hybrid model. This comes after the interview of Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, with Bloomberg, wherein he stated that over-collateralizing the algorithmic stablecoin would boost investors' confidence. Last, we have moved to earn game StepIn, which reportedly got hit with DDoS attack again. StepIn is one of the most popular game which uses Solana NFTs, where users are rewarded with moving outdoors, was hit by DDoS, also known as distributed denial of service attack, which is a malicious attack attempted to disrupt the normal traffic to a web property. Now let's get straight to top gainers of the day, and we have eCash or XCE, which saw a jump of 17% in 24 hours, and on the weekly chart it was up by 14%. Helium, also known as HNT, traded at almost 11% with an incline of 15% in last 24 hours and over 27 in last 7 days. On the other hand, we have Theta Network, which saw a jump of 9% in weekly charts and traded at $1 with an increase of close to 14% in last 24 hours. Loopring traded at $0.5 with an increase of 13%, and Neo, which traded at $13, inclined by 12% in last 24 hours. Next, we have Tezos, which traded at $2 and was up by close to 12% in last 24 hours. On the other hand, CRV saw an incline of 11% and traded at $1. That is all for today. If you like our content, do follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and do hit the subscribe button if you like the video. I'll see you tomorrow with more updates from crypto market.